Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to increase or decrease the icon size on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on wallpaper and style. From here, just tap on icons. Now to increase the icon size, just swipe the slider to the right side and it will increase the size of the icons as you can see in the preview, or you can decrease the size of the icons by swiping the slider to the left and it will decrease the size of the icons as you can see in the preview. Now as you can see, we have decreased the size of the icons. Now just tap on apply to save. Now if we go to the home screen, as you can see, we have successfully decreased the size of the icons on our Oppo phone. Now to increase the size of the icons, just tap on icon and swipe the slider to the right. Then tap on apply. And once you do that, you will increase the size of the icons on your Oppo phone. And this is how you can increase or decrease the size of the icons on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.